cute, super cute design. I really like it because I like that flowers. Also, they are one of the designer stickers. This one right here. Did I do that one? I did this one, everyone. Last video. And another ones. This one in the red and this one is like OG. So I can't wait. I'm gonna put the Gucci in there. Should I put Gucci in there? Or should I just like I'm put the GG, but I want the bees. So should I put the bees? Okay, key 60 seconds already, everyone. And 30 seconds. So gel painting, golden touch, and jet black. The reason I do a jet black underneath so then it can really see a dimensionals of the colors, though it's help bring the gold out more. So going to my twin tip brush, and I am going to using condensed glue gels. Where my condensed glue gel? I have condensed glue gel right there. Should I put the bees on? Put some little bee. This would be cute. She's so adorable. I'm gonna put the big one on. Maybe a bar in the middle. Great. See, I put a good amount of condensed glue gels because I am going to put the bigger bees in there. And no white top coat, everyone. My new one. Okay. So I'm gonna pull this one out from, I like this. I like her. And then little cute bar right there. Okay, good, so you can see it better because it looks like, can everyone see it's okay? Because it feels like on my end it's so bright over here, like really bright. Oh, thank you, Vicky. I wish you'll be here with me. You know, it's really I'm supposed to be there with you last weekend. So don't worry, you feel the lumps right here. I did it in purpose because I want my bee to be secure, you know, on the top of condensed glue gels. So no white top coat on the top of condensed glue gels. It will really help to grab my bees and my charms in one place. I can draw this earlier, but I just want a little bit fun. Maybe put her down here. I don't want to move this. Okay, so now if you're happy with this, and I am going to key it for 60 seconds. Hey Foxy, how are you? So keep that flat for me. Vicky, can you post on Facebook on the code on Facebook? Sarah post it over here. Keep it flat. So because the bee is kind of heavy, feel really awesome. So make sure you keep it flat so when you cure, so then it won't run crooked on one side. That's stunning. And then with that design, you can do so many. You can do it like a more flowers, or you can do it less flowers on the signatures designs, or you can do more flowers however you would like. I did quite a few of them before with crystal placements, and Sarah did some of them, Vicky did some of them as well, so they're all really cool and stunning. So I have pigment, neon pigment. Can I get some neon pigments, please? Make you some neon pigments. I would do this one, and purple. Ooh, this one is super cute. Everyone, I want to wear this. Maybe tomorrow I'll do my nails that look. I should do my nails and then I'll wait for all of you so you can decorate together. All right, so looks really perfect, really great, but her wings is hanging off, which is really good and secure. It can't go anywhere but stay on that nails. I am going to using my Forever's Glitz twin tip brush. This is really helping me doing my crystal placement, and one of the really bestie helping me with crystal placement, and feel so confident when I do it without worry about my crystal falling off. Make sure you check all the edges and the gap. If not, here's what happened. The clients can feel that when they get home and it's hair catching in here, or their clothes or their scarf, you know it. So if you can just doing a little bit detail and check, kind of give it a little exam, then you can squeeze it in. Oh, that's pigment next to me is so scammy. Now I'm gonna spill it all in my body and my clothes, and bingo. I'm gonna get a bonus. Is all electrics neon. All right, here for 60 seconds. It's now completely done. Make sure the clients, you're asking them to turn their hands back and forth.